This is Giz Studio again. So today I'm going to teach you the Rubik's Cube part 1. Okay, so now but first you have to learn how to turn the cube. Every time when you want to turn a face, there is a letter representing the face. So R is right clockwise, left, L is left clockwise, U is up clockwise, D is down clockwise, F is front clockwise, and B is back clockwise. If there's like something like an apostrophe after it, it is counterclockwise. So if you do clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise, clockwise, counterclockwise. And you can do a double turn like this and like this. Doesn't matter if it's clockwise or not, because you see, this is yellow after a double turn. So let me do that. And then it's yellow after a counterclockwise double turn. So now let's scramble it. I learned this tutorial from another video, so I'm just gonna use all the algorithms and all that stuff. Oh no, it fell. Oh god, it fell. This is weird. Fell. I don't know if this is the right way or not. Okay, so now we have to do the white cross. There is 2 sub-steps for this white cross. First is the daisy, the second is the cross. So first, the daisy is we have to get all the white edges, like this, the white things, around the yellow center. So how do we do this? So now we got one corner in. So now we have to find an edge in. Now we have to find another corner. Edge here. You might be wondering how to do this. So you have to do this like this. You turn the front face clockwise or counterclockwise. So I'm just gonna do clockwise, and then you can turn it here. So you just do it this. There. Now that edge is solved, and this one is easy because you just have to do one move like this. And now you might be wondering, where is it? Where's the other one? Here is the other one. So this one is right at the bottom of the cube. So you have to do double turn there. And now that we got the daisy done, let's do the cross. Now here you have to look at the other color of the white edge. You see that this white edge has a red color in the front. So now we have to move the bottom 2 layers to get this red to the red center. So here, after you got it to be the same, you turn the front face 2 times like this. And now this one is already done for us. So this is just do this. And this one is done already for us. Do this. And this one I got lucky, so we just have to do this. Okay, so now we got the cross. So now we are going to solve the white face. So to solve the white face, we need to know an algorithm, which is R, U, R prime, U prime. So now we have to position this corner to the right centers. So this is not correctly positioned, but if we turn it together, here it is correctly positioned. It is above the green center, orange center, and white center. So now let's repeat the right I call it the righty alg, so let's do it. Repeat. After 5 repetitions, the corner is solved. So now we have another corner. We have to just position it, and here it is, positioned. So just do the same set of moves. Actually, I did it wrong. And there. Now you see another corner. Just position it. Here it is. So just do this, and just do this. Okay. So now we got the white side done. Now we have to solve the edges on this part here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges. So first, we're gonna introduce another alg, which is the lefty alg. Just L prime, U prime, L, U. Okay, so I call that the lefty alg. So now we're gonna put this so now this blue and red do not find a one that has a yellow sticker like this one. Do not do this. So now we got a blue and red. We have to put the color in front of us to the red center because it is red. So now we have to know where it should go. It should go to the left because blue and red is on the left. So we have to remember where it should go and put it away where it should go. Do the lefty alg because it's going to the left. Then you spin the cube until the other color that it needs to go is in front of you, and then do the righty alg. And now you see the edge is solved. So now let's find another. Oh, here it is, orange and blue. So we put it on top here, and then we move it away. Then this time it is the righty alg first, because it is going to the right. So this one goes away, goes to the left. This one does the righty alg. And then you spin the cube to the other color it should go. And then you do the lefty alg. And you see, it is solved. So now you have 2 more. And you see, here it is, orange and green. So we just do this. Put it away. Lefty alg because it's going to the left. Then righty alg. Now we have to 1 more. Where is it? Here it is. So now we turn it away. Lefty alg, righty alg, and there we go. So now we have solved this part. And what do you know? Okay. So if you want to solve the whole cube, you should watch part 1 and part 2. Okay. Thank you for watching Kids Studio, and bye! But also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to do the whole tutorial, then let me know in the comment box. Bye!